OAI and Reiner know. So the agenda begins with opening and welcome remarks from OAI, Dr. Mike Heil, Suzanne Benoit, President and CEO Aero Montreal, Clément Fortin, President and CEO CRIAC, Dr. Roy Norton, Consul General of Canada, Fred Elliott, U.S. Department of Commerce. Then we will be going into a discussion of the Ohio-Canada partnership moderated by David Weiner, and commercial perspectives on the Canadian aerospace market provided by Suzanne Benoit from Aero Montreal, commercial perspectives on the U.S. aerospace market given by Don Major at OAI and Gino Bento at the U.S. Foreign Commercial Service. At 9:45 we kick off with the greening of aerospace and aviation. This is a moderated panel with Gary Conley from TechSolve in Cincinnati, Ohio. There will be perspectives provided by Sylvain Kofsky, Executive Director, Green Aviation Research and Development Network. Also, we have an invited guest from NAMI. Featured on this panel will be Dr. Richard Greaves from Meggitt, who is coming here in person all the way from Europe. There will be a break and sponsorship opportunity. At 10:45, Fly Green, moderated by Steve Zonka of CAFE. Operations, Green Aerospace Projects in Canada, Sylvain Kofsky, Executive Director, Green Aviation Research. Operations will be discussed by Green Aerospace Projects in the U.S. with Rhett Jeffries, Bob Sturtz, and an invited speaker from Rolls-Royce. You will note that our lunch and keynote is also on the topic of aviation current state and coming changes. We are fortunate to have as a moderator Bob Tanner from NetJets. Bill Gordon will be speaking from the FAA on next-gen implementation, and John Heimlich from A4A and Elwell have been invited. We are still constructing some of the other guests. At 1 o'clock, we have an OEM propulsion technology perspective, moderated by Dr. Dale Carlson of GE Aviation Advanced Propulsion, and also GE perspectives on clean, efficient engines. We have invited some of the other engine companies as well. At 2:15, there is a technology perspective, near-term materials challenges on metals, moderated by Steve John Giordano at RTI. Canadian Light Metals Update, invited by the Light Metals Laboratory of Quebec. Also, U.S. Light Metals Update by Eric Rubner of Alcoa Forgings and Extrusions. At 3 o'clock, Technology Perspectives, Near-Term Materials Challenges Composites, moderated by Brian Rice at UTRI. Canadian Composites Industry Update, Dr. Pascal Hubert, Canada Research Chair in Advanced Composite Materials. And on the U.S. side, Composite, Jeff Cash, the Composite Group. I apologize, this is a typo. We have another person coming from Composite Group. Dwight Rust, National Composite Center. There will be a small break and a cocktail reception. We actually have an invited speaker from the Cleveland Foundation, and this update will be reflected on our website this week. Dinner will be held at the 100 Bomb Group, and there is room for a keynote presentation there. The second day of the summit begins at 7:30 with a continental breakfast. At 8:45, we will have a resume to action by Dr. Mike Heil, President and CEO of Ohio Aerospace Institute, a B2B update led by Martin Lefleur from Aero Montreal, and myself from OAI discussing the B2B sessions. R2R update provided by Alain Aubertin from CRIAC, and at 9, UAV opportunities moderated by Joe Zeese of Dayton Development Coalition in Dayton, Ohio. UAV opportunities in the Canadian aerospace markets provided by Phil Cole, Vice President of Business Development of Merivent. UAV opportunities in the U.S. This one is, we have an invitation to Zane Brown, who reports into the governor at the state of Ohio. Making collaboration work is the next supply chain panel, moderated by Don Major, Vice President, Ohio Aerospace Institute. Commercial perspectives on the Canadian aerospace market, Martin Lefleur, Aero Montreal. Commercial perspectives on the Ohio aerospace market, Brad Alexander of Parker Aerospace. There's a break and sponsorship opportunity. Also, we will have Making Collaboration Work, and the moderator is Alain Aubertin of CRIAC. The Canadian Hot Research Projects will be described by Clément Fortin, President and CEO of CRIAC. And the U.S. Hot Research Projects will be Institute, Don Major, Vice President at OAI, Vinny Gupta, who is the newly elected chairman of the Ohio Board of Regents, will be attending, and he is confirmed. Joe Shaw, NASA Glenn Research Center, has been invited. And Sujay Shivakumar is also confirmed from the National Academies coming here from Washington, D.C. There is a lunch and keynote. We are very proud to share that Julie Payette, astronaut of the Canadian Space Agency, has been invited and she accepted. Christy Tanner or Bob Mansfield from Jobs, Christy Tanner from Jobs Ohio or Bob Mansfield from Embry-Riddle may also be joining her in the luncheon remarks. And then we will dive into the 1 to 4:30 p.m. business-to-business meetings and our research meetings. So it will be quite a busy summit, and there are some activities for our Canadian friends the following day. Reiner has more information on that. So that is the summit, folks. If anyone has any questions, please let us know, and we're just so delighted to welcome you at OAI in February.
Great. So we'd like to open it up now. We apologize we've run a little bit longer to take any questions. And before we do that, the afternoon is going to be really amazing with B2B meetings. Last year, these were very, very positive meetings. We had a number of companies tell us that for many other places, people would have to spend thousands of dollars to be able to have the type of meetings that we've had. And on the researcher side, Elaine Albertine has helped, as you saw, bring some open projects. We are reaching out to people that are signing up that if you have open research projects that you want to bring, or if you have supplier meetings that you want to be part of, for example, Parker will be meeting with people. And while it's not here, it's close to being confirmed. We believe Boeing will be bringing people from their businesses to be meeting with people for B2Bs, and I'm sure we'll have more announcements as we get closer. But if you have opportunities, please let us know about those. And with that, I wanted to open it up for any questions that anyone on the call might have.
Hey Don, this is Mike Heil. I would just like to express my appreciation to everybody on the team, on the Canadian side, the U.S. side, OAI, Department of Commerce, across the board, industry, who've helped put this event together, because it's come together very nicely, and I think it'll be a real value-added event. So my appreciation to everyone.
Don, this is Chan Wozniak, IMI. Yes, thank you very much for your team for putting this together. It was very comprehensive. I do want to remind everyone, though, that networking is the foundation of any successful forum or summit, and we've really built in numerous opportunities to do the networking. We close it off and highlight it, obviously, with business to business and research to research, but for 3 days, we sure hope everyone gets together and gets to meet people.
Great point. Networking will be a key part of this. Any other observations or questions from those on the line?
Well, I would like to thank everyone as well, and also part of our way of highlighting your capabilities and having you be very visible in your networking is our sponsorships and exhibit opportunities, and I'm still taking registrations for these. So if anyone is interested in either exhibiting or being a sponsor, please let me know. And a couple spots have already closed, so let me know of your interest, and I'll make sure that we can accommodate you to the best of our ability. With that, I really want to just deeply thank our presenters for coming here and sharing your perspectives, industry for your questions and comments, and we look forward to welcoming everybody here at OAI in Cleveland, Ohio between February 24 and 26. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone, from Don here at OAI. And please let us know if there's questions that you have about the event or how we could make it valuable to you, because the reason that we're doing this is to help companies, researchers on both sides of the border with both opportunities and collaboration. And so let us know how we can help achieve that mission. If there's things that you'd like to suggest that you don't see here, let us know of those. If there's people that you think we should be reaching out to, please get out to your network and let people know about this. And we hope to see you here February 24th and 26th. And again, to all of our organizers, thank you so much for all the hard work over the past many months that it's taken to put into this event. Thank you very much.